Hello everyone, my name is Sagar and in this video we are going to see how we can create a custom RBAC role. So in our last video we have created a management group and we have seen how we can add a group or user to that management group so that they will have access. But for now what we'll do, and we have added a out of the box role available, like basically the Azure role named as virtual machine contributor. But for now, we are going to create our own role. For that, I will first use that. Currently, I am available at my management group. So if I go to my home tab, I click on my management group and I'm focusing on this, my custom management group that I have created. And here I can go to my access control. Okay, yeah. Now here I have the option to add my custom role. Okay, now here you will define what all access a user or group should have. So you'll be defining all of them. Okay, you need to give a name here. So I will say this as custom support request, something like this number. Okay, and then I should give a good description why I have created this role. So I can say a custom contributor role for support request. Okay, now here also you have multiple options. You can have a JSON. Okay, or you can start from scratch. But what I will do, I will clone an already existing role. Okay, so for now what I will do, I will simply let me select here and I can search for a role named as support request contributor. I'll select this role. So basically what I will do, I'm just copying this particular role, but I will do some changes. Okay, inside this particular role. Let me go to previous. One second. Let me go to previous again. Yeah, I've created this. Then I will click on next. Okay, and here if you will see, all these permissions will be available. But assume I want to exclude some kind of permission. Okay, so for that I can simply click on exclude permission. You can even add some more permission that is not available inside this user. So I will search for .support here. Okay, and I will simply add here. So if you see inside my NotActions, okay, this support is available here. Okay, so what I will do, assume I don't want user to have this particular access. Okay, I support it, like I click on this .support, then I search for this particular and I will say add here. Okay, as soon as I will add this, now you can see permission type is NotAction is available here. Again, I can do some edits directly from here. Now what will happen, everything will get copied from this particular role, but it will basically exclude this one. Okay, so that is what you should know. Then again I can click on next. Here also it is telling me that I am going to add access inside this particular management group. Okay, those guys will be part of that management group. They will have this particular access, like the custom role will be available for them. I can click on next. Here this is a JSON for you, so you can see your role name, description, where it is going to applicable inside your management group, and this is the name of the management group. So what all permissions here we have defined, it should have all this permission, but you should exclude this one. Okay, and you can again click on next, create. We have successfully created this blah blah. It may take few minutes for time, so I will say okay. Now what you can do, you can go to your role, okay, and search for that particular role named as custom support request. Right, this is what we created right few minutes back. And here again you can see details, JSON. This is the exact JSON that we just created few minutes back. So this is how you are going to create a custom role, and here we have used out of the box role. We created our own custom role. We did some changes in out of the box role and we said that this is going to be our custom support request role. Now one more thing that I want to highlight here is, if you will go to your, let me go from home, go to your management group from here, okay, click on this. Here you have something called activity log. From here you can see everything. So for example, right role, eligibility set to request, you created, you added this role, right? So you can see all the history that is being done into this particular management group. So activity logs are, very much important for us because they provide us exact information. You can put filters as well. For example, currently I don't have any subscription, I understand, but I can click on this add filter. I have bunch of things that I can do filter, and basically I don't have much resource here at this moment, but you can play with this filter. You can download it as CSV and you can audit, you can check, which user have done what. So yeah, so all these things are possible using this activity log. So if I summarize this, we have seen how we can create a custom role and what is the benefit of having activity log. Thank you for watching this video.